Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So a couple days ago, I went ahead and gave you guys a quick walkthrough on the Webull paper trading competition, and I went ahead and used $5,000 fake money to buy a couple stocks, actually only two stocks. And today I'm going to give you a quick update on it and how it's performing. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Actually, it's already logged in. Paper trade, click on that. And the two stocks that I bought is LKQ and TOT. As you can see, this is only a couple days ago. It's up 8% on one of them, and then TOT is up 5%. So on average, totally, it's like around like 7%ish. That's averaging. But again, this is not typical, and you can't have this going on for every week. So 7% is crazy for just a couple of days. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I could buy and use the remaining 5,000 or the rest of my account. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sell these two, and then to cash the money. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell. I'm gonna use the market order. Actually, I have 91. I'm just gonna type 91. Okay. That's that, and then go ahead and use sell TOT. Click on sell, and then click on market order, quantity of 66. So I'm going to do 66, and then hit confirm to sell that. And then I'm backing it out, and then refresh. And then so let's see. Okay, all my positions are sold already. So totally, I gained $350.61. So not bad for a couple of days of trading. But again, this is fake money. So I went back on my screener, and if you guys are curious how I use the screener on Webull, I have a link below. You can check it out and check out the videos. So I'm gonna go back in and do a quick trade. And today on the screener, I found two of the stocks that I want to be trading. So it's TXG, and I'm gonna go ahead and buy, let's see, 62 shares of that. And this is again using remaining of my account. Actually, I just realized that you can't own too much of one share, so I'm gonna go ahead and remodify my strategy. So instead of buying two, I'm gonna buy three. So I'm gonna go ahead and TXG, I'm gonna go ahead and buy 37 shares of that, and then hit market, confirm. That's been sent out. All right, I'm gonna back it out, and then paper trade again. And then for the screener, another one I want to buy is, back it out. I'm gonna type in EURN. Click on that. Paper trade. Gonna use a market order on this. Quantity, I'm gonna buy 303. So that's about like $3,000 or so of this share. And by the way, I don't know any of these companies, and this is basically for from the screener, and I'm just basically swing trading. So hit confirm, and then that went out, and then I'm gonna back it out again. And then for the next stock, I'm gonna use as find NEO. Click on that one, and then paper trade. It's right now trading at $27 around there. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy 110 shares of that, or whatever that's, yeah. And then hit market, and then confirm. I'm gonna back it out. All right, I think they're slowly filling up my orders. So currently, this is what I have: 110 for NEO, 303 for EURN, and 37 shares of TXG. So this 10th round of competition is going to end on Friday, I'm assuming, because it's only allowing 1 week to trade, and then within 1 week there's only 5 trading days. So basically, you have until Friday to make all your trades and see how much you can actually gain from the stock market. And from there on, 11th, round 11th is going to come next week on the 8th, I believe. So then that starts a whole new round, and then see if you can actually make money. So right now, I'm just going to trade through with my screener and then find the stocks and basically not care about any of the fundamental of the company, just swing trade it and see how much I'm going to make. And if you want to learn about how I use a screener or how to set up a Webull account, feel free to check out my links below. I have videos explaining that step by step, and hope you could, use that information and see if you can actually make money out of this. So I hope you found this quick update somewhat inspirational, and if you like this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned of my weekly videos, and I'll catch you all later.